I'm not gonna lie, I am a little scared. Bunch of wild horses, well, semi-wild horses.
Ten cuidado cuando se muevan.
¿Qué es eso?
Echan la hoja para atrás.
Okay. So here we are.
Si no se acercan, no importa.
We're slowly going down here. I'll show you what I wanted to show y'all. This video definitely got a lot longer than I thought it was gonna be. Look at that. Look at this majesty, bro. Look, you got more. Pa allá, pa acá, pa allá. Pa allá. Alright. So this is what I wanted to show y'all. You just saw about 5-6 minutes of just flat, beautiful grassland. Now we coming to my favorite part. Literally opens up to a wooded wonderland.